Good morning, everyone. Our topic for today is Lesson 3-3, multiply 3-digit by 2-digit numbers. And you will find this lesson on page 125 up to page 128 from your book. Here are the learning objectives for today's lesson. You're going to multiply 3-digit by 2-digit numbers by combining equal groups and adding partial products, and solve problems involving multiplying 3-digit by 2-digit numbers. Let's analyze the solvent share. A local charity collected 163 cans of food every day for 14 days. How many cans did they collect in the first 10 days? And how many did they collect in the remaining 4 days? How many cans did they collect in all? So solve this problem any way you choose. So as you can see, we're going to analyze this student's work. Jared draws pictures and multiplies to find the partial products, then adds them to find the final product. So the given is 163 multiplied by 14. So he makes 163, he breaks down into 160 and 3. Then the 14, he breaks it into 10 and 4. Then multiply 4 multiplied by 100, that is 400. 4 multiplied by 60, that is 240. 4 multiplied by 3, that is 12. So 400 plus 240 plus 12, the first partial product is 652. Then, the same procedure, 10 multiplied by 100 is 1000. 10 multiplied by 60 is 600. And 10 multiplied by 3 is 30. So 1000 plus 600 plus 30 is 1630. Then add all the partial products, 652 plus 1630. So the total number of cans collected in all is 2282. For Aisha's work, Aisha multiplies to find the partial product and then adds them to find the final product. So it's the same thing. 14 multiplied by 3, 14 multiplied by 60, and 14 multiplied by 100. Why? Because he breaks 163 into 160 and 3. And 14 is the same. So 14 multiplied by 3 is 42. 14 multiplied by 60 is 840. 14 multiplied by 100 is 1400. Then add all the given partial products, so the answer is 2282. Now, how do you multiply 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers? Let's analyze this question. Last month, a bakery sold 389 boxes of bagels. And how many bagels did the store sell last month? So, 12 bagels per box. So what are we going to do is just simply multiply 389 multiplied by 12. So the first step is multiply by the ones and regroup if necessary. So 2 multiplied by 9 is 18, so 8 regroup 1. 2 multiplied by 8 is 16 plus 1 is 17, so 7 regroup 1. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So the first partial product is 778. Then, after that, so this is 778 now. After that, before multiplying the second digit, you need to put 0 first. Because the first answer must be in the tens place. Because you are multiplying now the tens place. So 1 multiplied by 9 is 9. 1 multiplied by 8 is 8. And 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. Then the final step, you need to add the partial products. 778 and 3890. So 8 plus 0 is 8. 7 plus 9 is 16, regroup 1. 1 plus 7 is 8 plus 8 is 16, regroup 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. So the store sold 4,668 bagels last month. Is 300 multiplied by 10 a good estimate for the number of bagels sold at the bakery? So the answer is no. Because 8,000 is too low. Because 300 multiplied by 10 must be 3,000. So 400 multiplied by 12 is 4,800 is closer to the given number. A theater can seat 540 people at one time. How many tickets are sold if the theater sold out every seat for 30 days? So what are we going to do is we just simply multiply 540 multiplied by 30. Always remember class, if it ends with 0, what are we going to do is you just simply cancel the zeros and put it into the product. Then 3 times 4 is 12, regroup 1. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1 is 16. So the answer is 16,200. But if the zeros in between the given number, it's not possible to cancel. Only those ends with zeros, so you can cancel and put it in the product. Next is number 2. Is 500 multiplied by 30 a good estimate for the number of tickets sold at the theater in 1 month? So 540 says that it becomes 500 and 30 is the same. So is that a good estimate? So the answer is yes. Okay, because 15,000 is good estimate because 15,000 is nearest to 16,200. So find each product and estimate to check that your answer is reasonable. So if I'm going to estimate this one, this is nearest to 200. And if I'm going to estimate 46, that is nearest to 50. I am using rounding, okay? Round to the highest place value. So this is 200 and this is 50. So if I'm going to multiply 200 multiplied by 50, I have 3 zeros. I need to put it into the product. Then 5 times 2 is 10. So my possible estimated answer is 10,000. So if I'm going to apply the standard algorithm in multiplying, 6 times 6 is 36. So 6, regroup 3. Then 6 times 3 is 18 plus 3 is 21, regroup 2. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 2 is 14. Then I need to put 0 before multiplying the second digit. 4 times 6 is 24, so 4, regroup 2. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2 is 14, regroup 1. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Then add this 6, this 5, this 9, this 8, and this is 10. So 10,856 is nearest to 10,000, so my answer is reasonable. So the estimation is only your guide to check your answer if it is nearest to the exact answer. 10,856 is the correct answer for number 3. For number 4, 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 6 is 30. Then I need to put 0 before multiplying the second digit. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. So I'm going to add. This becomes 5, 2, 5, and 1. So the answer is 1,525. Next, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So 0, regroup 1. 2 times 9 is 18 plus 1. That is 19. Then I need to add 0 before multiplying the second digit. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. So 0, regroup 3. Then 9 times 6 is 54 plus 3 is 57. Then add 2 plus 0 is 2. 0 plus 6 is 6. 9 plus 0 is 9. 1 plus 7 is 8. Then bring down 5. So the answer is 58,962. Next, number 6. 185 multiplied by 5. 5 times 5 is 25, regroup 2. 5 times 8 is 40 plus 2 is 42, regroup 4. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4 is 9. So the answer is 925. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and answer the following questions. Time is up. So the answer for number 7, 510. Number 8, 16,056. Number 9, 31,218. Number 10, 30,135. Number 11, 2,500. Number 12, 891. Number 13, 742. Number 14, 5,310. Number 15, 6,480. Number 16, 16,650. Number 17, 16,835. Number 18, 11,203. Number 19, 30,260. Number 20, 9,658. Number 21, 2,457. And number 22, 30,400. Now let's analyze the problem in the mathematical practices and problem solving. Number 23. How many times does a rabbit's heart beat in 1 hour? Always remember that in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So what are we going to do is we just simply multiply the heart rate beats per minute, which is 212. So 212 multiplied by 60. So what is 212 multiplied by 60? 212 multiplied by 60. If it ends with 0, cancel it and put it into the product. 6 times 2 is 12, regroup 1. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1 is 7. And 6 times 2 is 12. So the answer is 12,720. Next question. In 1 hour, how many more times does a rabbit heart beats than a dog's heartbeat? So as we can see, the rabbit is 12,720. So let's find out the dog's heartbeat so that we can identify if how many more times does a rabbit heartbeat than a dog's heartbeat. So the dog is 100 times per minute. So 100 multiplied by 60. So 1 times 6 is 6 and you have 3 zeros, so that is 6,000. So 12,000 now, 720, we need to subtract into 6,000 to find out how many more times. So it should be 0, 2, 7. This becomes 0 and this becomes 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. So the answer is 6,720. Number 25. 3,198 a reasonable product for 2,727 multiplied by 44? Why or why not? The answer is no. Why? Because the answer should be much greater than 3,198. Because it takes about 700s to get up to 3,000. So, and there are 44 of them. So a better estimate would be 727 is nearest to 700 and 44 is nearest to 40. So when we find the product of 700 multiplied by 40, that is 28,000. And 28,000 is too far from the example, which is 3,198 as the product. Okay, so this is closer to the actual product, which is 31,988. Number 26. A garden store sells plant in flats. There are 6 plants in each tray, and each flat has 6 trays. The garden store sold 18 flats on Saturday and 21 flats on Sunday. How many plants did the garden store sell in all? The answer is 1,400 plants. Why? 6 plants in each tray, and each flat has 6 trays. So 6 times 6, that is 36. Then the garden store sold 18 flats on Saturday and 21 flats on Sunday. So 18 plus 21, that is equivalent to 39. So 39 multiplied by 36. So 9 times 6 is 54, we group 5. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 5 is 23. Then we need to put 0. 3 times 9 is 27, we group 2. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11. So this becomes 4. This is 10, we group 1. So this is 4 and this is 1. So the answer is 1,400 plants. Patricia is building a rectangular patio. The patio will be 108 bricks wide and 19 bricks long. She has 2,000 bricks. Does she have enough bricks to build the patio? Explain and show your work in the back. So the answer is no. Why? Because she does not have enough. she actually needs 2052. So she needs 52 more because 108 multiplied by 19. So 9 times 8 is 72. So 2 regroup 7. 9 times 0 is 0 plus 7 is 7. And 9 times 1 is 9. Then I need to put 0 before multiplying the second digit. So 1 times 8 is 8, 1 times 0 is 0, and 1 times 1 is 1. Then add the partial product. So 2 plus 0 is 2, 7 plus 8 is 15, regroup 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, 0, regroup 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So it should be 2052. And she has only 2000. So 2052 minus 2000. So she needs 52 more bricks. So that's it. Thank you so much and have a nice day.